A little birdie told me that you have a delicious recipe that's ready to go to the next level. Is that true?
This is Clams, Bread, and Cheddar, the ultimate resource for future food entrepreneurs to learn the ins and outs of launching their food brands. From soup to nuts, I'll highlight some of the most important points to help you build the recipe for success. I'm Crystal Black Davis, and since 2006, I've consulted numerous food brands, both domestic and import, of various sizes and categories, with innovation, brand strategy, advertising, and beyond. From growing North American awareness, distribution, and velocities for a popular Australian cracker and condiment maker, to most recently serving as Executive Vice President and Vice President of Marketing for a leading global confectioner, I've had the pleasure of introducing some of the world's favorite brands to U.S. consumers. I currently run Savvy Food Marketing, a consulting firm serving early-stage startups and established brands alike. As an experienced food marketer, I frequently receive questions from aspiring food entrepreneurs on how to launch their products. As a result, I've created this channel along with additional resources designed to serve and support you in this journey. According to a recent poll by Small Biz Trends, 90% of new businesses fold. The same poll also found that one of the most common reasons for startup failure is the lack of experience in a specific line of goods. From my own personal observation, being in the food industry for well over a decade, the lack of knowledge-based planning has been the detriment to many otherwise awesome food brands. A general business plan simply isn't enough. As the old saying goes, you don't know what you don't know. If you're not privy to how grocery stores operate or understand their expectations, you're running a race with weighted shoes while your competition is miles ahead. While perusing grocery aisles over the years, I've personally witnessed brands with the shelf presence one quarter only to be gone the next. And it wasn't because they weren't good. In fact, many seem to have everything going for them: professional packaging, relevant and substantiated nutritional claims, and most of all, great taste. But none of that means anything if you don't have an audience that's aware and actively purchasing your product. By viewing and subscribing to Clams, Bread, and Cheddar, I won't promise that you'll get rich quick, or that you'll be thrilled to learn about the hard work that it takes to get your product idea off the ground. What I can guarantee is that you'll learn tips and insights that are food industry specific, rooted in best practices, to develop your idea from concept to reality, whether your aspirations are to sell direct to consumer through your local independent gourmet market, or gain distribution through a major grocery chain.
Are you ready to take this journey? Well, in that case, speak it into existence, or I guess type it into existence. Leave a comment below and tell me which product you plan to take to market. No need to go into detail about the recipe. In fact, never tell anyone your recipe unless you have an NDA or a non-disclosure agreement. This is especially the case if you have a contract manufacturer that's going to be scaling your recipe or producing your product. So back to the here and now. Go ahead and rep your product in the comment section below. And while you're at it, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Keep building that recipe for success. Until next time, thank you.